50 beautiful decorations made from straw and dry grass for just a few cents. Straw has been the second most widely used material in basketry in our region, right after wicker. Its versatility in traditional settings gave it a leading role. Traditional straw decorations were crafted using 3 techniques: weaving from straw stems, threading cut stems, and wrapping stems around flexible wire or twigs. The most common technique involved weaving from straw stems, creating hollow spatial ornaments. Dried straw was soaked before weaving to make it pliable and prevent breakage. Today, let's explore stunning decorations made from straw and dry grass. These can serve as unique gifts for your friends or elegantly adorn your home. Share your ideas with us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more inspiring videos. And now, let's dive into it.